Good morning. I just figured I'd show you what I've been working on lately. Set up a little workshop inside the 20 by 20 garage. Just measured the footprint of this workshop is 6 foot by 6.5 foot, and that's only really because of the handle sticking out on the miter saw. Been cranking out some planters, trying to make a little bit extra side cash. If you go to the channel Who's the Boss, you'll see the plans for these. I'm not going to bother trying to make any because he does a much better job than me. But I just kind of want to give you an idea of what you can actually do in a 6 by 6 workspace here. I have my assembly table off to the left, skill saw in the middle. I had to throw together this runoff table. Sorry to remember what it was called. Piece of plywood, couple pieces of wood. And we got the chop saw off on the side here. And that's all you really need. I just barely picked up this beautiful vintage Ryobi saw here for 90 bucks off Facebook Marketplace. The chop saw I've had for a while, and everything else I have, regular hand tools, and my compressor off to the side here with a little brad nailer. I will show you what the finished product looks at the end of this video, but this is mainly just to encourage you that with a little bit of organization, you can use a very small space to set up your own little wood shop. Yeah, well, here's my finished product. I got 5 of these planters cranked out here. Just give you a look at them. They are about 15 by 15 square, about 16.5 tall, and the inside holds almost exactly 1 cubic foot of soil, which makes it, if you're buying them bags of 2 cubic foot, you got 2 planters filled up there. And there we go, using the Dodge Dakota for scale, just so you can figure out how big they are. And we'll go in the garage and we'll see how much these things cost to make. Alrighty, so this design was taken from the YouTube channel Who's the Boss. That's VOSS at the end. I'm going to put a link to his video in my description here. He has free downloadable plans, and his videos are very simple and easy to watch. So I really like his channel. I think I've gone through almost all of his videos lately. All right, let's go over what it costs to make these planters here. You'll see these advertised as $9 planters or $9 cost. That's not including tax, glue, nails, etc. So I'm figuring for my cost, I'm going at about $12.50 per planter. They are $3 per picket. It's 3 pickets per planter. So you got $9 plus tax, round that up to 10. And then for glue and nails, I'm adding an extra couple of bucks there. And also you have to factor in, not every picket you get is going to be 100% usable. So when you figure in breakage, $12.50 seems to be about right for my cost. Time to make these, you're looking at about 45 minutes a piece. That's for me. Some people might be faster or slower, but I've made 10 of these and I'm coming out to about 45 minutes a piece. So you probably want to factor that into your pricing as well. I plan on asking about 30 bucks a piece for these. I've sold a few for 25 and less, just to friends and acquaintances. But when I start listing these on Facebook Marketplace, I believe 30 bucks a piece is probably fair for this market here. By my right ear, you can see the glue that I'm using. Didn't realize that was up there. It's Titebond 3. That is a recommended glue for indoor-outdoor. You can buy it for about 40 bucks a gallon. If you get the 16-ounce containers like I have there, it's about 10 bucks. So I probably am going to invest in a gallon because 10 planters took about half that bottle. All right, that's all I got for you. Hope this helped you out, and y'all have a great day.